My name is Dwayne Nolden. The business name is Middleton Power Center. We're an all-season lawn and garden dealership. The Snow RHINO has been one of our best sellers. That piece of equipment saved our commercial guys a lot of time. So when they're out pushing snow, sidewalking, they can probably get rid of 2 to 3 guys with one machine, in that it's so fast and works so good, and it'll even climb small steps to get up and down, so they really like that piece of equipment. So the Snow Bowl would be good for really tight areas where they can't get anything else in, and they still want to save a lot of time with that piece of equipment. It's really nimble and really easy to get around with and pushes a lot of snow. The TRAILBLAZER will haul up to 650 pounds worth of weight. So wood, bark, pavers, you name it, it haul it through up and down rough areas, up hills, down hills, wherever you want to go with it. So the Garden Quick tiller is a very heavy duty piece of equipment. Easy to use, but very industrial. So any job, breaking ground, you name it, it's going to do it. It's not a homeowner's unit, light unit. It's a heavy duty commercial piece of equipment that works really well, very well made. The brush rover comes in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. So if you have steep hills, it'll go up and down anywhere. If you want that, you can get that in 4-wheel drive. It'll do small saplings, high grass, pretty much anything you want to run over it's going to take down and make flat. It's a beast. The CYCLONE FLAIL mower is a mower that will chip things up almost. It's made for wet areas or dry, hilly. It's on tracks, but anything that'll pull in, it'll just kind of chip it and mulch it up. Really a nice piece of equipment, very heavy duty. Samurai is a brush mower, walk-behind brush mower that has a pivoting swivel wheel up front. So it's easy to maneuver, but cuts big stuff. Small saplings, tall grass, you name it. If you can run over it, it's going to take it and cut it down. Middleton Power Center, our slogan is, we've got the power. So we've got the power to get you a unit that's going to work for you. So if it's a Samurai or a Rover or a Snow RHINO, whatever you want, we have it. We like selling quality pieces of equipment, not just equipment. It's something that we pride ourselves in, is getting people the best piece, not the least expensive piece, but the best piece of equipment for their needs.